How to add music to Messenger story from Android phone. So if you want to add music to your Messenger story from your Android phone, then let me tell you that it's not possible. So what you need to do is open up your Facebook. Once you open your Facebook, go to create story, which is here on the left side. Choose a photo that you would like to add to your story. And once you've chosen your story, now go for the music option, which is here on the right side, upper right side, and then you can choose any music that you would like to add. So for example, if I choose a lyrics or if I choose a song, so here you will have the song. You can simply change the font or change the appearance, and you can tap on done, which is on the upper right. And once you add your song to your story on your Facebook, it will automatically upload to your Messenger story. So you need to simply tap on done, which is on the upper right, and then you can tap on share, which is on the bottom right, and it will start sharing your story. So once you've uploaded your story, you can go to your Messenger, and once you open your Messenger, you can go to your profile and you will have your story on your Messenger. So Facebook and Messenger are linked with each other, so if you add a story to your Facebook, then it will automatically upload your story to your Messenger. So that's it. That's how you can add a story to your Messenger with the music. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.